Alright guys, here we go. This is 2891 Gold Rush Foosball Mini Helmet. Alright. BSBR 1, Band Guy 4, BSBR 1, 2014 Toner Supplies 2, J Money 1, Lauren 2, Gregory 10, Lauren 3 more, 5 total. Sorry I missed you the first time. Alan 2, Leo Tree, and Bobby with Tree. Alright guys, 5 times. Here we go. Alright guys, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, not yet Adam, 5 times, and Gregory's on top, and Brian's on the bottom there. Alright guys, cool. Alright, Craig, I'll group you guys together here. Alright, Toner, Texans, Titans, Allen, Bears, Packers, Bobby, Bengals, Colts, Niners, BSBR, Giants, Skins, Gregory, Cardinals, Ravens, Panthers, Lions, Jags, Patriots, Raiders, Eagles, Steelers, Chargers, J Money, Bucks, Lauren, Falcons, Cowboys, Broncos, Chiefs, Saints, Leo Ello, Bills, Browns, Vikings, Band Guy, Rams, Dolphins, Jets, and Seahawks. There you go, CJP. Alright guys, any trades for the mini? 10 by 10 has 9 left. Not any trades guys, any trades? No trades guys? You guys still with me? Am I going too fast? Yeah, I can't keep up. Oh, Bobby. I think I was just being sarcastic. Alright guys, here we go. Good luck. I used to be super slow. Days of practice. 29.5 CJ. 750. Oh no, that's wrong. I was wrong. 18, hold on, 1850, should be 35.5 maybe. So you got 18 plus 7.5 plus 10, 35.5. Yeah, 35.5 CJ. Alright guys, good luck here. Gold Rush Mini Helmet action. Looks like a... Oh. I was going to say, it looks like a Patriot. I thought it was Sonny Michel. It is John Hanna. I got 6 helmets left, guys. I don't think he pulled the case hit yet. One of those chromes or something. John Hanna, Leaf. John Hanna for the Patriots. One of the greatest linemen in the history of football. John Hanna. Aaron Hernandez. Could you imagine if he was actually in there? It'd actually be worse something, man. His stuff's, it's not like he's going to sign anything ever again. But we do have some auction Gold Rush Mini helmets, guys. Feel free to bid on those. Bid on your team. Those will be, I think, I don't even know, Tuesday maybe? And then next Friday, we've got a bunch of stuff. Three auction breaks. Alright, enough of me rambling. That's going to Gregory. Alright, Gregory. Nice John Hanna autographed mini helmet. Cool. Alright, guys, 5 times. Ram.org. Whoever's on top. Every break, guys, we give a free entry away into a mini helmet. It kind of did, yeah. 5 times. Once, twice. 3 times. 4 times. 5 times. Bobby. All right, Bobby. You and Craig, we're both getting spots. All right, CJ, appreciate it. Into the mini helmet, Bobby and Gregory. That is 28.91. All right, guys. We'll add that to our list of stuff plus 2 personals. So we'll have a lot of breaks going tonight. 132. Bonus football mini. Let me add this to our list out here. Alright guys, very cool. Any comments, concerns? Appreciate it, CJ. Appreciate the nice little tip. Any comments, questions, or concerns, let me know. Please subscribe down below, guys. Never miss a live break every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Check us out on the gram. Check us out on Facebook. Thank you, thank you.